Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and add a custom schedule to a created channel inside your Sunsama Workspace. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the Sunsama application, log into your account, of course. And after that, what you need to do, guys, is click into the main menu here in the top left and select Settings. And from that menu here, under Account, select Schedule. And here you will see the default schedule. So you may, for example, customize that one, or you may go with a custom schedule per channel and make these. These will then become your custom schedule and override basically the default schedule but only for a given channel. So to do that, click into this button and select your channel. I will go with this one here, important. And you can, for instance, add or remove a schedule here, or simply click into that time slot and customize it, for example. So let me remove Sunday. This will make Sunday basically unavailable, and also Saturday and Wednesday. So I would like to complete these tasks on a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday schedule, and start, let's say, at 10:30 and complete these tasks, and just like that. And you can add, for example, a second time slot for the given day by clicking into Add. If you'd like to have one schedule going from, I don't know, 8:30 a.m. in the morning to this one, and then start a second slot here. And that's how it works, guys. So that's how you do it. You don't need to save anything manually. That will become the custom schedule for the selected channel. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.